This is the Kawanishi K-3. Designed in 1943 by the Kawanishi Aircraft Company for the Imperial Japanese Navy, the plane was intended to be a transport aircraft that could carry up to 1,000 soldiers or Marines, as well as their equipment. It would have had a wingspan of 420 feet and a length of 328 feet, making it larger than any other seaplane ever built. It was designed to address the logistical challenges that Japan was facing in the Pacific War. The country's vast island empire made it difficult to transport supplies and troops between different islands. This aircraft would have been able to transport large numbers of troops and supplies over long distances, which would have given Japan a significant logistical advantage. It is powered by 12 turboprop engines, each producing 132,000 horsepower, and it had an additional 4 turbojet engines. The plane had 24 crews, a range of over 18,000 kilometers or 17.5 miles, a top speed of 345 knots, and a stall speed of 120 knots. The plane was also designed to be a powerful weapons platform. It would have been armed with 19 25mm machine guns and a 50mm machine gun. This would have made it a formidable opponent for any Allied aircraft. However, the KX-3 was never completed. The war ended in 1945 and Japan was forced to surrender. The project was abandoned and the plane was never built.